So for problem 7, we have f of x equals 1 over x plus 3. This is our rational function. Our transformation is that we're moving it left 3. We know that because it's a plus 3 in the denominator. We know for our rationals that we have asymptotes. So if I were to trace this, I would have to pick up my pen or pencil to go from the left side to the right side. That makes this graph discontinuous. So we're going to have x such as, I can go left forever, I can go right forever, but this part right in between those, I can't cross our text. That's where I pick it up. So x can be anything except for x does not equal -3. The same thing's going to happen with my range. So I can go down forever, I can go up forever. But as I'm coming from down here, I have to pick it up when I hit this line right here to get to my other curve. So my range, f of x, or you could use y, does not equal 0. In this case, I'm not going to have an x-intercept because one of my asymptotes are on the x-axis. So it's going to be none. My y-intercept, you could, if you type this into Desmos, click on your y-intercept and it will tell you what it is. You can also plug in 0 for x. So we know we would have y equals 1 over 0 plus 3, which is 1/3. Last example, got x divided by x minus 5. Got this lovely graph over here. We have not quite figured out how to find the asymptotes mathematically yet. We will later this year. So you're going to look on Desmos, and I'm going to just kind of put the asymptotes in here. So again, these are lines that we're going to get really super close to, but for this year, we're saying you can't cross or touch. Our domain, I can always go left, and I can always go right. But as I'm coming from left to right, I have to pick up my pen or pencil to go from one curve to the other. And I pick it up at 5. So x can be everything except for a positive 5. We know it from the graph. We also know it from our transformation. Because I'm going right 5, I'm moving the asymptote. Our range, f of x, such as, I can go down forever, and I can go up forever. However, as I'm going from down to the top, I have to skip over this asymptote right here. And that's at 1. And again, later this year, we're going to figure out how to figure that out mathematically and not just from the graph. So f of x cannot equal 1. My x-intercept, I can look at my graph and I can see it's 0, 0. My y-intercept is also going to be 0, 0.